Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in this video I'm going to give you 10 simple tips to get your best skin ever. These are easy things that you can start to do if you're not doing them already. The first one is to know your skin type. When you know your skin type, you can pick products such as cleansers and moisturizers that are formulated with ingredients that are best suited for your skin. Keep in mind that most products are suited for all skin types, but there are a few products that provide the best results when it's targeted to your skin type. This would ensure that you get optimum results. An example is if I have dry skin, I wouldn't want to use a cleanser that's too harsh or stripping, since this can leave my skin feeling dried out and irritating. This would be the same as someone with oily skin using a very moisturizing cleanser that may leave their skin not feeling thoroughly cleansed and could lead to oil buildup and clogged pores. The second tip is applying products in the correct order. When you apply your skincare products in the correct order, it ensures that each product has the opportunity to absorb and work on the skin. So it's important to apply your skincare products in the correct order to get the maximum results from your skincare routine. The third tip is to apply the correct amount of product. It's important to apply or use the right amount of each skincare product in your skincare routine, since if you apply too much or too little of a product, you would not reap the full benefits of that product, or it can cause issues like irritation. For example, not using enough cleanser can cause you to not thoroughly cleanse your skin, and not using enough sunscreen wouldn't provide adequate protection from the sun. On the other hand, if you're using too much exfoliator or retinol, you can cause irritation to your skin. Tip number 4 is to change up your skincare products according to the season or weather. When the weather or seasons change, it can have an effect on our skin. For example, when it's cold, our skin tends to get drier faster due to indoor heaters and the dry, cold air outside. In the summer or warmer weather, there's heat, humidity, and sunlight that tend to cause sweating, increase oil production, and there's increased exposure to the sun, among other things. A good way to avoid these issues is to switch up your skincare products as needed. For me, I tend to use a thicker moisturizer in the winter months because my skin tends to get drier. Tip number 5 is to use an exfoliator. Incorporating an exfoliator into your skincare routine will help to remove dead skin cells and in turn prevent oil buildup, clogged pores. It improves skin texture, hyperpigmentation, and acne scarring. It also helps your skincare products to penetrate your skin better. It's best to use an exfoliator only a few times per week, depending on how your skin tolerates it. Tip number 6 is to use sunscreen regularly. Sunscreen is not only the best anti-aging product and it protects our skin from sun damage, it also prevents hyperpigmentation or reduces the severity of it. So it's recommended to use sunscreen regularly. It should have an SPF of at least 30 and it should be applied every 2 hours that you're exposed to sunlight or UV radiation. Just ensure that you are using a sunscreen that does not cause skin irritation or clogs your pores. Tip number 7 is to double cleanse. Double cleansing using an oil-based cleanser first will help to break down oil-based dirt, makeup, toxins, pollution, SPF, and sebum. And following that up with a second cleanse using a face wash ensures that the skin is thoroughly clean without feeling stripped. I always like to double cleanse my skin with a micellar water or cleansing balm and following that up with a face wash whenever I feel that my skin has some buildup of dirt or anytime I wear makeup. Tip number 8 is not picking at pimples. When you squeeze, pop, or pick at your skin or pimples, you are more likely to cause more inflammation to your skin. And this leads to a greater chance of having hyperpigmentation and acne scarring or make it more severe. It's best to treat your pimples because it gives your skin a better chance to heal and will in turn help to reduce inflammation and reduce the chance of scarring and other problems. Tip number 9 is doing skin patch tests. Doing a skin patch test before incorporating a new skincare product into your skincare routine is a good way of checking if a product has the potential to cause you to have an allergic reaction or cause a breakout. Tip number 10 is to follow product direction. Most skincare products have directions on their packaging that tells you exactly how to apply a product, how often, and even which step it should be in your skincare routine. These instructions are there to help us to obtain optimum results from the product. Keep in mind that if you're using a product that may be too harsh on your skin, you should adjust the frequency according to your skin's tolerance. Give these tips a try if you aren't doing them already, and you should begin to see results in a few weeks. Let me know if you see a difference. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.